Alright guys, good morning. It's, I want to say it's April 12th, but it's my first day turkey hunting for the 2021 season, so I'm pumped. Didn't really have any place good lined up for this morning, so I'm going back here behind the house. In the past, when I have had good luck here in the mornings, it's been 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, so as you can see, it's after daylight and I'm just now making my way back. But that's kind of the strategy that I've had in the past. I've came out here numerous times first thing in the morning and I've heard them gobbling, but I've yet to make it happen first thing off the roost. It seems like they come out in these fields and feed and look for hens later in the morning, so that's what I'm hoping for this morning. We got a couple wheat fields back here that are about 6 inches tall. Perfect for them to come out and feed. So we'll see what happens. I'm pumped. First day of turkey hunting 2021, so let's see if we can't get it done. Well, I just got done talking about how I never see them first thing in the morning, but there's a hen out here by herself in this wheat field, so they're out here first thing in the morning. Sit here and watch her for a minute and see if I can sneak by and get set up somewhere. It's a good sign, turkeys are out moving. She's probably 250 yards away, so it's gonna be hard for you to see her on camera, but she's out there. Like I was saying, it's my first morning turkey hunt for 2021. So I'm pretty pumped. It's nothing like that first morning of a season you've been waiting for a while. Finally coming. So far I haven't heard any gobbles. I just kind of got set up here at this tree. I'm just going to kind of hang out here for the morning. I'll call every now and then to see if I strike anything up, but 9 times out of 10 I don't really hear any gobbles until later in the mornings. I've got my old Mossberg 88 20 gauge set up. I did that earlier in the year. I went ahead and put a little burst fast fire 3 on it. Got it set up with some Apex ammunition, and I just gave it an old rattle can paint job.
looks pretty good. But biggest thing is it covers up the shine. And last year I missed a couple turkeys. I didn't have an optic on top of it. And I think that had a lot to do with it because I just had some cheap old glue-on sights on it. They weren't no good, but I'm really impressed with this little fast fire. So, all I can say is that Apex ammunition is legit, at least in my gun. Out to 50 yards, that's as far as I shot it, but at 50 yards it's still plenty full. I mean, great pattern, so I like to keep it inside of 50, but I'd feel perfectly confident shooting one out to 60, and that's with a 20 gauge. Like I said, I'm pumped. Let's see if we can't kill a turkey. Rusty. Just had a bunch of crows fly over and I heard one gobble out here in front of me. Sounded like he's a long way off, but you never know, boys. Just nice to hear one gobble. Let it get back quiet. I got a bunch of geese flying around right now. Let it get back quiet and I'll see if I can get him to fire off with a call. Sun to get up about another 20 feet above me. Kind of get the sun out of my face. But I know for sure I heard a gobble. It sounded like he was out in front of me, so maybe we'll get lucky.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Y'all, that is what it's all about. Woo! First morning, big gobbler down. Whew. Thank you, Lord. Whew. 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 Thank you to my wife. Oh, Buffalo Creek Outdoors, baby. Whew. First morning, 2021. Turkey down at 25 yards. Oh man, I smoked him, y'all. Thank you, Lord. I'm just sitting here, first thing in the morning. I knew in years past that later in the morning, these turkeys come looking for hens. And I saw a hen first thing this morning, walking in. I told my wife, I'm gonna walk in easy and see if I can find one later in the morning. And I got a bird down. He's right here. Y'all, this is crazy. Let me go get this bird. Well, that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's how fast things can come together. David and I, my buddy, we talked last night, and I don't think either one of us really felt confident in the spots that we had. So I think David elected to sleep in, but I tried giving him a call. He ain't answered the phone yet, but I was gonna let him know I shot one. But yeah, we talked on the phone last night, and I think he decided he wasn't gonna hunt, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do, but I woke up this morning and I thought about it, and this spot back here behind the house has always been pretty decent mid-morning. So I came in after daylight, saw a hen out here first thing, and that was just about it. And then about every 15 minutes, half hour or so, I would do a little bit of calling. And I was sitting here, and a bunch of crows flew over this section of woods, and I heard a turkey gobble way off, real faint. And turned the camera on, talked about it a minute, and turned the camera off, and it wasn't 2 or 3 minutes later, he gobbled way closer. So I let out a couple clucks, a little bit of purring, and kind of got my stuff set up and got kind of ready. I thought I knew kind of the direction that he was coming in, and I wasn't sure if he was gobbling at me, if he was gobbling at another hen, what it was, but I don't know, probably 15 minutes later, I never heard him gobble again, not one time, and I'd cluck and purr a little bit just to keep him interested if he was coming this way. And man, I'm gonna tell you, where I was set up back here, I'm only about 25 yards from where I was set up. But this turkey had somehow, there's a trail right here that comes out kind of directly in front of where I'm at, but I don't see turkeys come out there that much. But he had circled down that trail and was directly in front of me, I don't know, 20 yards before I even knew he was there. I don't think he saw me or anything. I think he was just kind of looking out in this field for whatever hen was making the noise. And I got the camera kind of on him, but I had a dogwood limb here in front of me, so I don't think the big camera caught him, but I think the little action camera on the shotgun did. But he kind of cut the edge of these woods here, and just looking out in this field looking for the hen. I let out a couple soft clucks, and he cut out. As soon as he hit that wood line there and stopped, I popped him. It's a big old turkey, big old full fan. He's probably got, I don't know, 1.8 inch spurs, something like that. Got a pretty decent beard. Yeah, he's got a good beard on him. He probably got a 10.5, 11-inch beard. That's a good turkey, y'all. But anyway, 8:30, mid-morning, just like I thought. It's actually a little earlier than I usually hear them, but evidently he heard my calling and was fired up this morning. It's April 12th, so still early in the season. Got my shotgun bird. Now it's time to try to kill one with a bow. So I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Thanks for keeping track of what's going on the channel. And hopefully I'll be bringing you a bunch more cool turkey hunting footage here this year. First time I've ever shot, well, second time I've ever shot one on opening morning, or my first morning hunting. The last time I did it, I think I was in 8th grade, and me and my buddy Jacob Nance did it. So anyway, this is how fast it can happen, y'all. Y'all need to get out there and enjoy the outdoors. Hopefully all y'all's turkey seasons is going as great as mine started off. And go check out all the rest of my content. Appreciate you watching. Remember to live your life to the fullest and use your passions to bless others. Go check out the Full Draw Film Tour and my film Backcountry Emotions. It should be up here pretty soon. So we'll catch you on the next video. And time to get this turkey cleaned up. So appreciate y'all watching.